Hi Hayden and Austin, this is Carly. This is a quick video to show you what you missed in class last night. The first thing you need to do is under weekly links, there are 5 websites that I am about to show that you need to add to your live binders. They are iCivics, FactCheck, Common Sense Media, this one that's about a lesson plan about bridge designing, and eSkeletons. Once you add these 5 websites into your live binder, you can move on to the next step. The next step is talking about QR codes. The example that Mrs. O'Neill gave in class was pulling up a Google Docs and having her office hours in them. Then she created her QR code that was a link to her office hours. So if a student wanted to know what her office hours were and she had the QR code on her door, you could scan your QR code with a QR code reader app if you had that on your phone, and then you would be able to see her office hours. And anytime she changed that, you would be able to see that if she needed to change it for a specific day. So if you want to, right here is the QR code, and if you want to, you can scan it with the reader app. I'll give you a couple seconds to do that. Okay, the next step we're going to do is go to this website, which is called Bitly. And Bitly allows you to take a long URL link and then make it shorter. So I have this one here that talks about how physical fitness may promote school success. When I click on it to copy it, it's super long, and there's no way that anybody would want to copy that into their computer or write it down and have to copy it that way. So I can paste my link here, and now it's shortened. And this is what I can give to my students, and they can look at it at night, and it's a lot easier to write down. The next thing we're going to talk about is QR code generator. With the QR code generator, this is where you can create a QR code. Some examples they gave last night were completing a treasure hunt for health class for a review game, or they talked about putting it on your business card, which is actually what you're going to do for next week's assignment. So, for next week's assignment, she wants you to have a business card handed in to us when you come into class next week that needs to have your name, phone number, email, and QR code. And you want to check the QR code before you print out your business card, and do not use a Bitly link for your QR code. So I'm going to show you how to create one right now. I have my Weebly pulled up. I'm going to copy my link to it, go to my QR code generator, paste it, and there is my QR code. I can then download it as a PNG. There's my QR code. I'm going to quickly check it, though you can't see this part with my phone, just to see that it works. And there, again, you can't see it, but it does take me to my Weebly. Oh, that looks very nice. So then what you can do is you can copy this QR code and put it into your business card, which is, I think, a great resource. And, you know, if you want to, you can use these business cards when you go out to apply for jobs. So just to clarify what I went over, you need to add, oh wait, sorry, wrong folder. You need to go to week 5 links, upload these 5 websites into your live binder, and then you need to go to QR code generator and create your QR code that will help in this business card assignment. Again, you'll be turning in a business card to us next class. It does not have to be turned in through Blackboard, it just has to be handed in to us. It needs to have your name, your phone number, your email, and the QR code. And again, check the QR code before you print it out, and do not use a Bitly link on your QR code. That's it. I'll see you guys next week for class. Bye!